Hello kids, hope you all best. First we know about color name: green color, yellow color, brown color, red color, pink color, black color, green color, sky color, purple color. Now kids, let's start our lesson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 0 10, 11, 1 1, 11, 12, 1 2, 12, 13, 1 3, 13, 14, 1 4, 14, 15, 1 5, 15, 16, 1 6, 16, 17, 1 7, 17, 18, 1 8, 18, 19, 1 9, 19, 20, 2 0, 20. Now let's start repeat our lesson. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20.